Okay, this is the third video related to signs and symbols. So in this one, in the last video, sorry, I should say, we're coming up with some ideas for the term be quiet. So we established it needs to be a circle. It's going to be blue, it's going to be a mandatory sign, and then I'm just going to pick my appropriate pictogram that's going to go in there. So if you've got a compass, great, you can draw this on a blank piece of paper, or you can draw it on the worksheet which I've sent on the email. So if you don't have a compass, I can draw around an object to draw me a neat circle. So I'm going to draw around this little section here. There we go. In the middle here, I'm not going to draw it too small because we established on the first video that if it's too small, it might be difficult for somebody to understand. So this is going to be the head of my person. I'm going to use the head to try and communicate that you've got to be quiet. There's the ears. I'm going to put the eyes in line with that area. This is the head section. This time I'm going to put a hand over the front. So I'm changing it. I'm developing my idea. So this is going to be a hand. There's the thumb on the side, and this is going to be something like that, the hand on here. There's the finger. It's a giant hand, and there's the other hand. There we go. There we go. And I'm going to put the nose on the side. I'm going to put the neck on. If you want to put some hair on, I suppose you could do as well, but yours are going to be different, obviously. So I'm going to keep mine bald. Now remember, I can only use blue for this. So inside the whole of this section here, the background is going to be blue. So I'm going to try and carefully make sure I don't do like a scribble like this. I'm going to kind of blend over the top of it to make sure all the white gaps get shaded in. I'm going to go around the outside here. Okay, now any detail on the inside, that can only be blue as well. So if I'm going to keep, let's say, I'm going to keep the head white, but then I'm going to keep the eyes and the eyebrows blue. I'm going to put the nose in blue. Now the line that goes around the outside here, I'm also going to make that one blue around the side. And I'm going to just continue to kind of carefully draw that in. Now any kind of working out that I've done, any kind of construction lines, I'll carefully rub those out with the rubber. Okay, so I'll see how we'll go with that.